Hello everyone, this is the review of the the Hero 616 fountain pen. It's another one of those Chinese brands. This is a knockoff of the Parker 51, as you probably have guessed. And these are solid pens though. They're very close in design to the Parker 51. And here is one of the green ones. You can take off the cap, and this is a hooded nib, you know, like the Parker 51. And there's an ink window. You can see how much ink you have left. It's pretty cool. And then take that off. There's that, like the Parker 51 or a lot of old vintage pens, there's that sack protector, and it covers the rubber silicone sack. You can take that off, and you see, there it is. It's pretty cool. You squeeze that and it fills, and people think it's pretty interesting. It is pretty weird. Now, one thing a lot of people have figured out actually is that when you put this on, it doesn't fill your pen that much. Like, you don't get a very good fill. See? Now I just put it in water. You can see this. Not a whole lot has come out. No, actually some dripped out. But still, not a whole lot. I did not get a whole lot of ink. I mean, water, actually. I'm going to try it again without the protector. Have you squeezed this really fast without the metal compressor? This will actually fill your pen more. I have actually been able to get the whole sack filled by doing this. It's harder because I'm holding the camera in my right hand and I'm right-handed, so it's easier if I do this with my right hand, if I squeeze with my right. So I'm going to hold the camera different right now. Actually, hold it in my left hand right now. There. Now I can show you. If I squeeze this without the metal protector, you notice you can get a lot more ink, water into the pen. There we go. You see that? Look at that. I just filled so much of the sack. I've even gotten more than that. I filled a lot of the sack. And watch this. Just put this on. You'll be able to see the water. Look at that. So, as you can see, water's spraying out. That's a lot of, I mean, that was a good amount of ink. I'm going to take another pen. I'm going to ink this, I'm actually going to ink this pen up. As you know, just take that metal compressor off. I'm going to use Noodler's black ink. Oops. Watch out. Okay. Noodler's black. So this is really the best way to fill these pens, is to do this. like I said. So I'm gonna have to hold this my other hand again. Okay. There we go. Look at that already. Look at that. Come on. There we go. As you can see, that is a lot of ink. Oops, I'm gonna get my hands messy. But just look at that. I just filled that whole sack practically. That is a lot of ink. Some people were content with just having it only in the breather tube, but this is just amazing. Look at that. So this is the best way to fill your Hero 616 fountain pen. You take off the metal compressor, the pressure bar, and then you just simply squeeze really fast on the sack. You put it in ink and you squeeze really fast, like I just did, like, you know, rapidly, not slowly like they often recommend you to. You do it fast. So that is how you fill the Hero 616. Now, this pen does write very well. This is a really good pen for the money. A lot of people thought that the pen was annoying because of the, you know, the sack is hard to fill if you have the pressure bar on, but just take that off and do what I just did and you'll be fine. This is actually a really nice pen for the money. This is probably the best deal out there. It looks vintage, it feels vintage. It's just a really nice pen. Even the filling mechanism is the same as the old pens. So I would definitely recommend buying this. This is one of my favorite pens. So hope you thought this was useful. So goodbye.